guys, today I'm bringing you my latest unboxing video for Simply Earth. This is their essential oil recipe box and it is just $39 a month, and with that you get 4 bottles of essential oils plus other materials that you need to create essential oil recipes. Each box is centered on a unique theme, and the October box is a fall theme. If you wish to subscribe, I have a special affiliate link and a coupon code SSHomeFree that will help you to get a $40 gift card. You'll also get a huge bonus box that has almond oil, coconut oil, bottles, and roll-on bottles, other materials that you need to get started in essential oils. The October box, as I said, is a fall theme, and with each box you get stickers. These are labels for your essential oil bottles and for the recipes that you'll be making. You also get 4 oils. For this month we have cassia oil, we have balsam fir oil, orange oil, and focus blend. This actually has cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange essential oil. And I'm actually diffusing this right now and it smells really, really great. You also get a bag of soy wax for this month, plus a candle wick and 2 lip balm bottles. And then our recipes included, they come on some really nice colorful cards. For this month we have 6 recipes, and they are cassia and balsam fir candle, cassia and orange candle, fall diffuser blend, focus lip balm, DIY aromatherapy rice bag, and joint pain roll-on. I was really excited that this was going to be a fall themed box. I love the smells of fall, and I was really excited when I saw the variety included in this month's box. My favorite recipes are probably the DIY aromatherapy rice bag and the joint pain roll-on. My husband and I are always looking for pain relief solutions, and so I'm really excited to try those. I've also never made candles or lip balm before, so I'm excited to try those recipes as well. I am just always excited to see what's going to be included in the essential oil recipe box, and I'm always impressed by the variety of recipes that they put together for the boxes. I definitely recommend that you subscribe. Don't forget that you can use my affiliate link and coupon code SSHomeFree, and you'll get that free $40 gift card. You'll also get the awesome bonus box that has the almond oil, coconut oil, free roll-on bottles, and all kinds of great things that you need to get started with essential oils.